अब हम एग्जाम्पल देंगे। हम अब टोटल रेजिस्टेंस निकालेंगे जब दो या दो से ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्टेड होंगे पैरेलल में। मैं यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दूंगा। This is the R1, this is the R2. The value of R1 is 6 ohm and the value of R2 is 12 ohms. ठीक, शाबाश। हमने असली रेजिस्टेंस R1 यमिक वैल्यू छु 6 ohm, R2 यमिक वैल्यू छु 12 ohm। मेश कॉलम यमिक टोटल रेजिस्टेंस में बराबर RS। अच्छु ऑलरेडी law of combination resistance पोड है, तथ मज पोड है the reciprocal of the total resistance is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. Ash formula 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. मैं शु R काढूं, बल लिख 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 थो में बराबर 6 ohm, 1 by R2 थो में 12 ohm। That means 1 by R is equal to 12 ones are 12 plus 6 ones are 6 divided by 12 6 are 72. That means 1 by R is equal to 18 divided by 72. That means 18 ones are 18 fours are, which implies 1 by R is equal to 1 by 4, which implies R ones are R is equal to 4 ones are 4. That means total resistance is equal to the 4. What is total resistance? Asli resistance R1 to R2 yim kare usko parallel mans R1 ch value 6 ohm, R2 ch 12 ohm. Ach kali him total resistance magar yim ch combine kare parallel mans. In case of parallel ach formula 1 by R1 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. R1 should be 6, R2 is 12, 12 ones are 6 ones are 12 to 6 ki 18 divided by 12 6 are 72. 18 ones are 18 fours are 72. 1 by R is equal to 1 by 4, R is equal to 4. At this draws a point you stay ध्यान दें। थई सा नजर अगर वुचो R1 द्रा में 6 और 6 ohm, R2 छु 12 ohm। अगर वुचो यू टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इधर बराबर 4 ohms। आई मतलब गो इन केस ऑफ पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन the total resistance is less than the sum of the individual resistance. Individual छे 6 अगर वुचो टोटल द्राय में 4 गो आई मतलब कोई 4 छु 6 खोत लाकुट 12 खोत लाकुट। इन केस ऑफ सीरीज में द्राय में टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा as compared to the individual resistances. In case of parallel combination total resistance द्राय में कम as compared to individual resistances. को अगर ते ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एग्जाम्स में when you say in case of series total resistance ज़्यादा as compared to individual resistance, yes, in case of series total resistance ज़्यादा as compared to individual resistance. In case of parallel combination total resistance कम as compared to individual is शतबा total right over. That means resultant resistance less as compared to individual resistances. वो इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टेंस खुद से कम ही आसन टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इन केस ऑफ पैरेलल। वो हमने जाना यहाँ पे कि इसका दबाव इन कनेक्ट करेंगे पैरेलल में, इस दबाव ये कनेक्ट आसन करें बिटवीन सेम टू पॉइंट्स और बिटवीन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस। अगर मैं टोटल रेजिस्टेंस करें तब खुद लॉ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द combined resistance is equal to the reciprocal sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. When you total resistance R, that means 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Problem कर में इधर R1 जो में 6 ohm, R2 जो में 12 ohm, को R द्रावल बराबर 4 ohm, so द्रावल इंडिविजुअल खुद का। That was for today. इंशाल्लाह कल हम ये प्रूव करके देखें कि वाकई में 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Thanks for today.